Welcome to rainy Uganda. I am in my tent. I've tried to pack up my tent a few times today, but every time it just starts raining heavily. Now it's not so bad anymore, but I'm just trying to pack up stuff and see if I can avoid most things getting wet. But we'll see about that when I get to my destination. I'm heading to Kampala to stay with Michael Mayer and his family. I don't know him, but he wrote to me on Facebook that they have a room for me there if I need it, and a washing machine, which I really need. I mean, look at my gear. It is just so damn dirty. It's unbelievable. So it would be nice to get my stuff washed. I don't want to complain or anything, but my tent is not doing too good anymore. It's definitely leaking everywhere. My pants are not doing too well. My boots are definitely not waterproof and haven't been for a long time. Don't you just feel sorry for me? I bet you don't. Anyways, listen to that. Are we gonna have a little break, please? So I might actually just end up packing down the tent while wet, something I've never done before, just to get there, and then I can pack it out there in their garden. Imagine having a guest that comes to your house, and first of all, she's like so dirty, dusty, muddy, and then she starts packing out wet gear, puts it in your garden, and nobody wants a guest like me, I tell you. But I did warn him a little bit. I was talking to him and I said, listen, I'm a mess. I'm embarrassed to show up at your house being this dirty. But he was like, don't worry about it. We're used to it. So I have to trust that. So anyways, let's wait 5 more minutes and see how things are going. I'm not tough when it comes to camping in the rain. I really am not. I'm not tough when it comes to mud either. I am scared of mud, and I don't mind heat or sand or dust, but mud and rain, oof, that moist, it just sneaks in everywhere and it ruins all your electronics and it gets into your chargers, and nothing dries up anymore, so the sweat in the helmet is just still wet the next morning, and I hear puddles of water coming from my tarp. I have a tarp over the tent because the tent is not really so waterproof anymore, and then the wind takes the tarp, and then suddenly I hear this flood of water coming down. Oh well, as I said, you probably don't feel sorry for me at all. That's okay. That's okay. Tell me about your day. What's going on for you where you are? I'm so bored in this tent right now, so just tell me something, please. I should do like a live YouTube session while I'm sitting here waiting. But I don't have any Wi-Fi, so that's not gonna happen. Anyways, wish me luck. I'm sure tonight I'm gonna be comfortable in a nice bed, and everything's gonna be fine. And everything is fine. I mean, come on. It's just a bit of water. I'm not exactly made of sugar, right? So, step it up, Henrietta. See you later.